Black Friday is here. Supercharge your sales and support with an AI chatbot. Build trust, save time, and provide 24/7 assistance. With YourGPT, you can set up an AI chatbot that's ready to engage, assist, and convert, all in minutes. Getting started with YourGPT is quick and easy. Follow a few easy steps to set up your AI chatbot, all without writing a single line of code. Make your chatbot match your brand. Customize colors and layout that reflects your business style. Now it's time to train your bot. With YourGPT, you have access to a wide range of training options. Add website links, documents, FAQs, or plain text. Or take it to the next level by connecting third-party sources like Notion, Google Docs, Dropbox, Slack, and more. Your customers engage across multiple platforms, and your bot should be there too. With YourGPT, connect your chatbot to channels like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, and more. Also, unlock endless connectivity with tools like Zapier, Make, and Pabbly, all designed to enhance your sales and promotional campaigns. Proactively engage with your visitors using triggers. Automatically send messages when users navigate through specific pages or interact with your site, showcasing special offers and discounts at the perfect moment. At times, AI can't resolve your users' queries. With YourGPT's human escalation requests, visitors can request live human support instantly. You'll get real-time notifications to ensure no lead is lost. YourGPT combines cutting-edge AI capabilities with an endless array of features, making it the ultimate best-in-class AI chatbot. So let your GPT chatbot help you capture more sales and provide 24/7 support. And guess what? Your GPT chatbot is now available at an exclusive Black Friday discount. Don't miss your chance. Snag the deal before it's gone.